Hello, and welcome to an exciting edition of Kensington Unboxed. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. If you're new to the series, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. If you haven't heard yet, Kensington is taking its first steps into the professional video conferencing arena, and today I'm excited to share with you 6 of the new products that we'll be releasing, including 3 stands, 2 webcams, and a ring light. Since this is a lot of products, I'm not going to waste a lot of your time just unboxing products and taking everything out, but I'll kind of go over some of them as they stand. But I really want to get you out to the other part of my office here, where I'm going to actually show you some of the products and the way that you as a professional can set these up, and the way you can mix and match and just really kind of build your own unique setup based on your needs, your office, and the room you have. Flashing on the screen right now is going to be a link to the section on our website that you can learn a ton more. Congratulations to our web team. They made a really cool page, so please go check that out. There's a lot of animations and a lot of scroll throughs and a lot of cool ways that you can see how you can set up these products. First, let's start with the stands. These are very utilitarian. That is our word of the day, definition at the bottom here. Not to say that they're not attractive. They are very attractive, but they are here to serve a purpose and get a job done, and they do just that. First, we have the A1020 telescoping C-clamp. This is useful for anyone who wants to mount a device and just needs it to move up and down, but likes the functionality of setting it and forgetting it. This is also great for those with limited desk space. We also have the A1020 telescoping desk stand, and that's what I have right here. What's really great about this is it just sits on a stand, and you can, with a flick, tightened it too much. You can raise up and down depending on what your needs are. This is great for people who may want to move around their setup, need a little more flexibility, but still need a sturdy base. Simply moves up and down and can go where you go. Finally, we have the A1020 Boom Arm. Now, this is a really cool product that I use in some of my video shoots. I've got it actually set up on the other room, but I've been using it lately to make some of my unboxing videos, because it gives me the ability to put in an overhead camera and really show what I'm doing. So it's really kind of fun. I'll show you some uses for it out there. But it's basically the tool you didn't know you even needed. I didn't know I needed one until I got it. It's perfect for those looking to have the best of both worlds, a stationary mount with a flexible mounting solution for mics, webcams, and lights. I'm going to show you the L1000 Bicolor ring light with a webcam mount. This is a professional solution you've been waiting for to help improve the way you look on video conference calls. It's an affordable USB-A powered light with a center ring webcam mount, which is a great segue into our last 2 products. I am really happy to announce these products. I use both of them. They are just really cool products. We have the W2000 1080p autofocus webcam and the W2050 Pro 1080p autofocus webcam. Both deliver high quality video at 1080p with automatic focus. A few of the differences include: the W2050 Pro contains a glass lens. It provides a 93-degree field of view versus the plastic lens and a 75-degree field of view on the W2000. Both feature noise reduction technology, with the Pro featuring a stereo microphone and the W2000 with a mono microphone. The last thing that's worth mentioning is the Kensington Connect software that goes along with these webcams. Kensington Connect software is designed for the everyday user, offering the professional features you need while also supporting mass business deployments. Alright, so now let's head on out to my other room, and I want to show you a few scenarios and ways that you can mix and match these products and use them in your professional setup. The first thing worth noting here is how easy it is to adjust and move these products into whatever configuration you want. With the spin of a knob, you can adjust the position, height, and angle of view, allowing for a customized setup that works perfectly for your needs. When it comes to the ring light, you have the ability to control the brightness of your L1000 with the push of a button, selecting between 20% and 100% via 10 increment settings. Start communicating like a pro using Kensington's new line of professional video conferencing solutions, the key to getting more work done. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you found this very valuable to you, and I hope you're already starting to think of the possibilities when you're doing your next presentation. Again, if you are new to our series and haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do me a favor and do that, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.